Good morning, good evening. This is Mr. Capalbo, and we're going to make a chicken cacciatore. You'll see I have my pan, okay, and I have my cat. I'm going to make cat. No, I'm not going to cook cat. That'd be gross. No, we'll take out chicken. I had to defrost the chicken in the microwave. Very leaky chicken, very leaky. Okay, it's leaky. Thank you. So you can see there's a chicken waiting for it to be cooked. Okay, we need the olive oil. Yes, you can see we have all these ingredients here. So oil, chicken, we have rice. We need rice, 3 cups of rice. We use a Minute Maid boiling bag. And of course our most important ingredient, a ragu, is the pasta sauce. So, there you have it. This is the whole ingredients for making dinner. And my cameraman, he's sick today. Maybe he's not feeling well. Maybe he'll feel better in a few days after doing hand exercise. Not sure, but hopefully he'll be back on his feet soon. This is enough for 3 people. If you eat 2 pieces of chicken each, 2 or actually 1.5 people, 2 people and a half, you have 1 piece. I put the chicken into the pan. There's 1 teaspoon of olive oil. So we're cooking the chicken, as you can see, and it says to cook it on medium heat. So I cook it for a medium heat, and we turn it over, and you can see it turns white. It's good. This is what we want, it to be white. You always want your chicken to be at 165 is what it would cook at. That way you know you're not going to get food poisoning. And so you want to keep that cooked like that. So when I get it brown, it'll be brown soon, I hope. Charles Brownson? No. I make joke. It's not funny joke, but it's joke. Okay, so we put all the chickens here so they can cluck together. Cluck, cluck, chicken. Cluckity, cluck, cluck. My good friend. Okay, so chicken is going to cook like that, right? And then we're going to take ragu. And you can use any kind, but I use the traditional with now with olive oil, just like what we put in there. So we shake it up here. Okay, here, goggle, 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 goggle. Okay, we shake it up. Once the chicken is cooked and brown, I will take the ragu and put it into the pan, covering the nice chickens as they cluck, and then they will cook for hopefully not too long. It says 55 minutes, but as it's cooking, then I will clean the dishes because there's a mess, and I need the dishes to make this. I make 3 cups. I said Minute Maid, not made by Minute Maid. Success. Made by Success rice. So we'll do that, and then we'll get the 3rd video, which will be the finished product. So listen to it cook. Doesn't that sound good? Yeah. No? Maybe? I don't know. I want to check my chicken first. I didn't choke my chicken. I said check it. Ha ha ha. As I told you, funny joke. Not always so funny. Okay, it's starting to brown. See that? It's good. We want it to brown. Once it starts browning, like Charlie Brown, then it will be done. There we go. Yum. Looks like little shark fins or something, eh? Let those cook a little longer. And of course, like I said, you want to check the temperature on those. So I got my thermostat here, and like I said, we want 165. I'm sure it's nowhere near 165. This is more for checking when you're like on a barbecue. Let's stick that in there like so. As you can see, there's nothing happening. I have it all the way into the middle of the chicken. Okay, it's starting to go up now. It must reach 165 to be done, but of course we're going to let it cook much longer here. You can use the Jeopardy music, you know, ding, 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 ding. Alex Trebek, hope you're doing okay, I hope. I haven't seen you online in a while, so I don't know. Now let's stick that one in there. Maybe it goes farther. That one's in the middle of the heat. It's probably showing 75 degrees right now, but it's climbing. Has to get all the way up to here, which is a long way from there. So, ta-da. You want it to be, like I said, 165, and then you can eat. So, it's good. So now we put in the regular sauce. You can see the chicken in there is cooking, and we're going to let that cook now for a little bit here. As you can see, it is boiling, is what I wanted to do, boil. I said make sure it boils, because if you don't have the boils, well, then you don't have fun. No, you have to have boiling. So it's boiling now. So now we're going to lower the heat down to, first we're going to grab a lid. We need a lid first. Not the Nestle's chocolate, which sounds good right now, but no. Alright, that's not going to work there. Alright, so now we put the lid on and we lower it down, and now it's going to cook for 45 minutes. So as you can see, we have the rice. It's already prepared. All I have to do is take it out of the bags and put it into our bowls. And we have a chicken cacciatore. Now, my cameraman asked me, what does chicken cacciatore mean? Okay, well, I looked it up under English. No, it didn't say. It said cacciatore is a mushroom spicy sauce. I looked it up under Italiano, and it says the chicken cacciatore means the chicken hunter. Okay, so we take the rice. It's hot rice. See, I joke, it's not that hot. Okay, it says put in 2 cups. Well, each one of these is exactly 2 cups. So I don't know if you want that much rice. It is hot. And you put a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Do you want that on yours? Do you want salt? Okay, then make it raw. Okay, I think it's done enough right now.
You don't want a whole bag.
Huh?
That's good.
Which one?
That one.
That one?
No.
That is the right one.
That's too much.
I have more rice over here.
Oh, fine.
You don't have to eat it all. You bring it back and you put it in the bowl. Back in the bowl, you know? Okay, so now... Are you still videotaping me or the fucking kitty cat? We're not doing kitty cats today. We're doing chicken. I already videotaped chicken cat when he was sitting over here upside down. Like he was dead. Dead kitty cat. Okay, there's the rice. I let the rest of it sit there. I put this back in here. Back in bowl. And now we go like this, see? Push it down like that. And we push it down like this. Miss Capalbo is cat lady, crazy gatto lady. I'm not sure how you say cats in Italian. Huh? You don't know? I don't know it. As you can see, this is a chicken. I'm the cacciatore. I am chicken hunter. You are a chicken eater. Okay? If I can get it out of the bowl. How many you want? 2? Okay, 2. Lots of sauce or no? It's going to be very dry if you don't have sauce, so that's okay. If I can get it out of here, maybe not.
Why didn't you use a spoon instead?
This is a spoon.
No, it's not. It's a ladle.
I don't know, because I'm crazy. Wait, choose some sauce. And now I get my pieces here. So I get 1, and this one over here. 2. And I take some sauce. Okay, we still have a little piece there. Maybe cameraman needs it. No, cameraman, I talked to him. He's going to. By the way, you see, this is quarantine haircut. Don't mess with it. If you're not barber, don't do it because it's bad. You don't want chicken. No cheese, right? No parmesan. I want this online. Okay. Now, we have one mess. We have the kitchen clean. I put the coffee maker back. And we are done. Now we're going to eat. But you guys can enjoy making this. I already gave you the ingredients, how to make it. You cook it for 45 minutes. And it's done. You cook the rice for 10 minutes. And it's done. And then you eat. You put it together like you see. And you eat. Sound good? Okay. Buongiorno. Ciao.